Alright guys, let me show you today where I exactly place the order and why. So most important thing, we must know why we are entering here and what is the logic or reason behind that. So here you can see I placed three order today. First, I placed buy order and I booked the profit of 1:5. So next here you can see another my buy order, that is the call buy, and I booked somewhere here in this area, but that was 1:3. But again, I reversed the trade toward the downside and I booked almost 1:5. So what is the reason why I enter? That is the important thing. One thing you always remember, then don't predict the market. Nobody can predict the future or market. So you must know what actually price are behaving at that time when you want to enter in this market. That is the important thing. So let me show you why I enter. And yesterday here you can see I entered here and I booked 1:5. That is my target is 250 points. So it's enough. All right. So let me zoom a little bit before I explain. Now you can see when I zoom, this is basically I'm using Bank Nifty future chart this month, October future chart, and I'm using 5-minute time frame. So if you see here, so right now here you can see price create a new low, pull back, price not able to create new higher high, again it create lower low, and the price revert back, but it failed to create new high, and suddenly price dropped drastically. So in that case, you can see I just finding out the seller territory. So now you can see from here to this level, all are sell when we have seen some opportunity. All right, but remember we place buy order also here. What is the reason behind that? Why I place buy order? So in that case, we are using price action. But when we are using price action method against the trend, we reduce the lot size. Okay, so I'll explain later. Okay, so first here you can see. So later here you can see another from here to this level, all are seller territory. All are seller territory. All right, that is where we are selling aggressively. Okay, so another here you can see why I'm not using this as a lower low, lower high, but this is a small pullback. So that is why I'm not using as a wave. So I just calculating entire wave from here to this level. That means from here 44,000 almost, you can say like 700 in future chart to the level of 43,000, let's say 700. All right, all are seller territory. So means we are looking for short, we are looking for short, we are looking for short. But today, where I place buy order, and I can see. Okay, let me zoom a little bit now. Okay, perfect. Now I can see in this area, even price are in between this seller territory, all are seller territory. So this line you can see this is a seller territory, but why I place buy order? So basically I use V wave. Now you can see what is my target. My target around 250. All right, 250 point my target, and my SL is 50 points. Okay, so in this area here you can see price open a gap down. This is the first candle, and price goes a little bit higher and a pullback. But here you can see price failed to break this lower point and create a new higher high. So in that case, you can see smoothly we have seen aggressively buyer are there. Okay, now you can see. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay, now you can see here. This is the aggressively buyer. All right. So here, when price are pulling back, this is disturbance. All right, this is disturbance. So if we zoom this level in a small time frame, let's take a look, like 2-minute time frame. So this is a 2-minute time frame. So here you can see this area. Okay, this area. Now here I can see price open here in a 2 minutes, goes up a little bit, pull back, fail in a 2 minute also, aggressively buy, pulling back like that, like that, like that, like that. Now you can see price not able to create a lower low and goes up. So in that case, I place buy order and figure here 1 to 5. All right, but remember I reduce my lot size. Why? Because in a larger time frame, trend is a downtrend, but from here you can see this area called supply zone. So means where I exactly am entry point and up to the supply zone, my target are achieving. That is why I enter here. Okay, but I reduce the lot size. Okay, and next entry here you can see another here you can see price goes up aggressively. Just a minute, price goes aggressively. So when price are pulling back, now see the power towards this downside. Pull back, goes up again, pull back, goes up again. Very disturbance in this area. But when price going toward the upper side, so price are moving very fast. That means buyer willing to buy. All right. So when price are pulling back, people are not interested to short. And exactly here you can see this is I place, this is called demand zone in small time frame. This is the demand zone where price move drastically, and when reach that level, we have seen this is the bullish candle, and this bullish candle are closing above this VWAP. So that is why I enter here and I place my target 1 to 5 near this resistance line. So you can say like a supply zone. So once price goes near supply zone, and I have seen very strong rejection candle, but here also we have seen rejection candle but below this supply zone. And the next candle we have seen exactly reach the supply zone, and we have seen strong rejection candle. Let me show you by using volume. Okay, is it there volume indicator or no? Sorry, just let me use volume candle, not candle, volume indicator. Okay, now here you can see aggressive buy, volume is low. So next here you can see aggressive buy, but volume is less, and the next bearish volume is bigger comparatively this one. Now you can see these two candles, aggressive buy, volume, and next volume. Have you seen these two candles? Okay, perfect. And then now same scenario we have seen. This is the volume, and this is the volume, buyer volume, and the seller volume. Okay. Now this is the buy candle and the sell candle, and the volume you can see comparatively. If you see, this is less than half buyer. All right. Now you can see almost 70% seller are there. So that is why I place sell order here, and exactly price are forming below the supply zone. All right. So why? Because if you not see in a larger time frame, price is running in a downtrend, right? Downtrend. So all are selling territory. So why? This area called shocking. All right. So another, this is you can say like this is a shocking area. So we need area where price drastically move, means when prices are moving drastically, that means a big player willing to short or willing to buy. Now you can see in this area the big player are willing to short and price drop drastically. So here you can see strong area, price drop drastically. Okay, so when they goes up like that, goes up like that, like that. So we expecting that who people short drastically in this area, they people are also willing to short in this area. Okay, that is why, that is the reason behind that we short heavily. But when we are buying here, we reduce the lot size. All right. So why we reduce? Because we are trading against the trend. That is the reason. Okay. So most of the people are forecasting what's going to happen, where they are placing order. But remember, nobody can predict the future. You just see what exactly market and price are behaving when you are going to place the order. Always remember, before you enter in this market, ask yourself why this level is important to short or buy. Okay, that is the important thing. So if I say Where is my entry point? So next I have seen this is also my area. If price goes to this level, like price goes to this level, if I see some powerful rejection, I short it because all are seller territory. This is all are seller territory. When I'll see some selling opportunity, I'll sell aggressively. I'll sell aggressively up to this level. All right, up to this level. Once they break this level, I buy aggressively. But now question is that from here to this level is a big point. All right. So can I buy? Definitely. I'll see the price action in that case. Where I have seen price action today. Now I can see, let me zoom a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now I can see why I bought today. Price pull back, not able to clear lower low, goes aggressively buy and pulling back. We have seen low strength toward the downside, and we have seen some buy opportunity above the BF. That is why we bought. Again, when price pulling back, it's a disturbance. So we have seen some buy opportunity, we bought it. All right. Same scenario, like we have seen some buy opportunity. So definitely we'll buy it. So let's say here gone like that, and we have seen some buy opportunity, we'll buy it, but we will reduce the lot size. But when we'll see the sell opportunity, we'll sell aggressively. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.